right, so when I was filming this, I wasn't really in the mood for it. It takes so much time to set everything up, try to get camera angles. It's like trying to get this done quick. So it is what it is. I'll edit the best I can in post. Hopefully it doesn't look too awful. This will be rear wheel bearings on a 2005 Hyundai Sonata 2.0 Turbo Limited Ultimate Edition, and that all does come into play because it is totally different from a regular 2005 Sonata. And it's actually a lot easier to work on the turbos because you don't have to remove all the suspension to get to the brakes and the wheel bearing itself. I'll try to edit as best I can and hopefully stick around till the end. All right, let me show you what we're working with here. So I did the rear brakes on this last week, and I should have replaced the wheel bearings because when I took the thing apart, you could hear them grinding. So let's get set up and undo all the work we did last week so we can do this wheel bearing, put it all back together. Oh yeah, look how shiny that is. Too bad we gotta take it all apart because we got to get to back here. All right, you wanna see why this is so difficult? Look at all that rust. Now this car, I forget where it came from. I think it was in Maryland, North Carolina, somewhere where they don't use as much salt as we do. And that looks like it's going to be a absolute nightmare. So luckily we have the seafoam. Oh man, getting into these bolts is gonna be awful too. I don't even know if I can get a picture of that. At least they're all exposed. So we'll see what we can do. I'm gonna try to see if this snap thing works. Wait, snap. That was far too easy. That's suspiciously easy. Let's grab this new one. Brand new shiny. Complete. All right, all we have to do is torque these down to spec. And that was, I don't know, a little too easy. Kind of disappointed. But let's get it torqued down and put everything back together. We'll start on the other side. It's only been like 20 minutes. So the passenger side ended up giving me trouble. But you can't have stuck screw if you drill it out. Actually, the drill bit's still inside there. It served its purpose. Now we can actually get on. So 7 out of 8 screws ain't that bad. And we got a source the replacement, so no worries there. So let's get back to it. Put everything back. All back together. All that's left is to take it for a test drive. So let's go. All right, hopefully that gave you a little bit of insight into what goes on out here. If you stuck around this long, I appreciate it, and I will see you on the next one. Next, we should have a 2016 Kia Soul, front and back brakes and rotors, so that should be fun. So hopefully I get that job, and I will see you on the next one.